Hey everyone, this is Aaron from OneSideZero.net. Today, we will be reviewing the realme GT7 Pro, a flagship powerhouse equipped with some of the groundbreaking technology, from industry-leading performance to an incredible display. The GT7 Pro is setting new standards, so let's get on to it.
Starting with the design, the realme GT7 Pro takes inspiration from Mars with a sleek, futuristic look. It features quad-curved display and an aircraft-grade aluminum frame, making it durable and stylish. The Mars-inspired design gives it a unique touch, and the premium materials make it solid and lightweight in hands. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, currently the world's most powerful Android processor, it achieved an astonishing AnTuTu score of over 3 million, making it one of the fastest phones out there. With 2 prime cores and 6 performance cores, the GT7 Pro is a true performance beast, delivering stable frame rates in demanding games, handling multitasking with ease. The display on the GT7 Pro is equally impressive. Realme teamed up with Samsung to create the real-world Eco OLED, a stunning screen with 120% DCI P3 color gamut and an 8T LTPO panel. It's one of the most colorful displays in the industry. With a variable refresh rate up to 120Hz, you get ultra-smooth scrolling and dynamic frame rates that adjust based on your activity, conserving battery when needed. It has a massive 6500 mAh Titan battery, making it the largest silicon anode battery in the industry. It's ranked top for battery life, giving you up to 10 hours of uninterrupted gaming on a full charge. And with 120W super dart charging, you can get back to a full charge in just 37 minutes, which is perfect for heavy users on the go. To handle the GT7 Pro powerful hardware, Realme included the largest 11,400mm² Iceberg VC cooling system. It's designed to keep the phone cool, even during long gaming sessions or heavy multitasking. The result is sustained performance without overheating, making this phone ideal for gamers and power users. Let's talk about the camera. The GT7 Pro boasts a powerful triple camera setup, including a 50MP main sensor, a 50MP periscope telephoto lens, and an 8MP ultra-wide lens. This setup is versatile and capable of capturing detailed shots across different scenarios. With the AI Ultra Clear Snap mode, you can capture fast-moving objects like pets or kids with clarity and sharpness, while the AI Motion Deblur enhances detail in action shots. Another unique feature is the underwater photography mode, allowing you to take photos and videos underwater up to 2 meters deep for 30 minutes. Plus, the GT7 Pro supports ultrasonic fingerprint unlocking, an industry first. With AI Sketch to Image, you can now draw a simple sketch or add new elements to an existing photo, creating a unique image that's perfect for creative minds. The Realme GT7 Pro runs on Realme UI 6.0, with features designed to enhance productivity and creativity. O+ Connect allows seamless file sharing with iOS devices, while AI Gaming Super Resolution boosts graphics up to 1.5K, and AI Gaming Frame Plus take frame rates up to 120 FPS. These AI-driven features make the GT7 Pro not only powerful but also adaptable to your needs, whether you are gaming, creating, or working. In conclusion, the Realme GT7 Pro combines cutting-edge technology with sleek design, making it one of the best flagship choices in 2024. It's powerful, versatile, and ready for anything you throw at it. At the time of this review, the Realme GT7 Pro is available together with the pricing as stated in the description. Check out Realme's website or your local retailer for more details. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if the Realme GT7 Pro is your next upgrade.